3 months into making a ragdoll game, I can finally take a break.
New devlog panels are my favorite.
literally
Trying to
I'm
develop
on
another
those.
system.
Daddy, I love
okay,
this.
fine. I'll go work. I'll make it.
Okay, for day 1, this is the start of the week, and it will set the stage for everything to come. So I must be as productive as possible. I did nothing. This day I kicked off with a bang. I woke up, drank 8 glasses of coffee, and then got to work. Turns out the networking for Unity seems to have gotten a lot easier in the past few years. Unity has a couple of solutions that you can use. That being, Unity's netcode for game objects and Unity dots. And while dots seems like a great solution for FPS and competitive, I'm going for a more casual, fun experience. It is 100% not, because netcode for game object has more tutorials. Unity also has the lobby and relay systems that allow players to, well, join lobbies and connect without having to port forward. Oh, you don't know what port forwarding is? I'm not old. 21 isn't old, right? I'm not old. You're old. You're the old one. Yeah. The short explanation of how networking works is you have a server and a player connects to said server. The only thing sent over the network or through the server are things that need to be, like player movement. If you didn't send the movement, when 2 players connected, you could see yourself move, but not the other player. And vice versa. The other player would see them move, but wouldn't see you move. Now, things like the world, you don't have to send these unless you're trying to like sync up stuff like moving platforms and things of that nature. So if you were spectating the 2 players from the server's point of view, you would see a whole lot of nothing. And you would see 2 players like moving around in the void. Pretty cool. Since I'm basically the OOG way of networking, I'm going to implement it. Netcode for game objects was actually extremely easy to set up because I'm going for a peer-to-peer experience. So all I had to do was literally change the code to add network variables for it, go to the objects I want to network, add a network object component, and for every part that I want to be transferred over the network, I add a network transform, but not the normal one, but the client network transform. And then to that, I just added all the network rigid body components. Why the client network transform, you may ask? Well, this is allowing the connected PCs, so the ones connected to the host, to send data to move. I did this because, otherwise I'd have to ask the server to move. So basically I'm making this client authoritative instead of server authoritative. Oh boy, Rabbi, it's easier to hack. I'll give you 2 reasons for doing this. 1, this is a casual game you can play with friends, or will be able to play with friends. 2,
What? Why?
why is this happening? And of course it works, because I have 3 brain cells fighting for 3rd place, pumping out all that power and determination I need to keep on working. Now it's time to implement lobby, and by implementing it, I mean just watching a tutorial and taking the code. Thank you, Code Monkey. 45 minutes into the 50-minute tutorial, I noticed bro had project files ready in a download link. Now I have a dilemma. Do I finish the 5-minute video, or do I just take and import the package? Y'all already know my lazy. Wow, it all works, and I did it myself too. This is going to be a new genre of games that will influence all. Now to add relay to lobby. Day 5, the final day, and I give up on adding lobby at the moment, because with relay you just need a join code, and lobbies, it's very static. I want to be able to move around and stuff like that within a lobby, so I'm gonna work on that later, and just focus on the relay. Whoa, another Code Monkey tutorial. Aw, this one doesn't have the link. And I would say that video helped me, but a lot of the code is outdated, so I found a recent tutorial.
This one? No. Right under it.
And the code literally in the relay documentation. 2 hours of tutorials for nothing. So I copied the code, set up a simple UI, and tested it. And it seems to work on my machine. now people in separate places. And let me ask my friends to download this super sketchy file that is definitely not a virus, you know?
Better not be a zip bomb.
It's definitely not.
How do I get in?
1 sec. I will give you a code and you will type it in the top right.
Oh, it's that one.
All right, it is GNDJCC.
All lowercase?
No, all capital.
Fuck.
Oh!
Oh, wow. Where am I? I just got hit by a truck in my world. Now I wake up here? Strange. Well, I guess I gotta learn the magic in this world. What is this? I can't get up it. Fuck. Oh, I'm goated. I'm goated. I'm goated. Hold on. I'm goated.
Oh, bro's hiding from me. Coming for you.
Don't diddle me! Where'd he go? Oh my god. I almost fell off the fucking Hey! Hey!
Get over
Hey!
here. No!
Hey, what
no!
the fuck are you?
I thought you were really
I'm getting
cool.
freaky.
I'm
I'm
stupid.
feeling freaky.
No, I got one question.
Yeah, Pookie.
What do you think about the game?
Dog shit.